Hi, good evening, and welcome to second session of this journey. So, our main target is automation by using AI and Gen AI data science, machine learning. These are the main concepts. But for that, we started a concept of Python. Why? Because that is the only one language for the communication. Especially in session number one, we covered the installation part of Python ideally, and also be ready with the installation part of Anaconda editor, just install it. Whenever the time will come, definitely we will use that. But initially, we are going to work with Python IDLE only. And from last session, we noticed some points about the variables especially. And to start this journey, we have some mandatory things, not mandatory really, some alphabets. You can call that is alphabet. One of them is a print function, and second one is ID function, type function, parenthesis brackets are there. You can call that is a function. And also at your 108 for Python, help function. And we don't know this one as of now, length function is there. These are basic, like in English, when you start schooling, not you, general kid will start, this is the way ABC they will learn. And also we covered when we install Python software on your server, there is a one small program will be installed that is a like a joker, is a PVM, Python virtual machine. And if you type anything in the Python IDLE, it will taken by PVM and it will give to machine, and also it will convert to machine understandable language. Why? Because whatever you are writing, that is a high level programming language. Python is a high level programming language. High level means easily understand. Like mostly it is like English only. And also we created variables, but instead of calling variables officially, you can call as a identifiers. Once if you create a variable, the syntax is identifier name or variable name equals to some value or an expression also, like in this way. Here, powerful one is your assignment operator. Equal only, but officially you should call assignment operator. Straightforward value is there, it will store. How it will store? In the machine, when you store a equal to 5, example, in the system you have a RAM. RAM memory is divided as the small segments. Each segment containing its own address, machine to machine it is different. If you store a equal to 5, PVM will maintain one index table, variable name A, you are storing 5, for example, this is a value. 5 will be stored, every cell having its own address, like 101. Not only 3-digit address, LNC. Maybe you can consider this is a 107. This cell address is 107. That address it will maintain here. And if you want to find out the address of A, you can use ID function. And by default, Python having a biggest power, that is a dynamic memory allocation. When you create any variable, depending on the data type value or depending on the storage value, whatever you are storing, based on the storage value, whatever you are storing, based on that storage value, it will decide the data type. But come to other languages point, we need to define it. Like int a, then only you have to store a equal to 20. But this story is not required here. Directly you can write a equal to 20. PVM is very intelligent, is a machine, actually one more machine upon your machine. It will identify the value and data type. So if you want to find out a data type, you can use type function. Address purpose, this address purpose ID. And printing of a value purpose, you can use print. If you want to take any command or function documentation, just write help of your function name. But while writing the function name, don't write any brackets of this function. These are the functions, parenthesis brackets of help only. And also I covered some standard rules to create a identifier name. First of all, this is a case sensitive. And variable name should be from this 63 character set. And never start with a digit. Last one, not from reserved keywords. Guys, everything is clear about all these things on the screen. Please confirm it. It is completely revision of the first 7 minutes. I did just revision only. Is it clear? Every component. Really, if you are attended yesterday session, if you do small revision, I mean, not only you, for example, yesterday I said one word, create your own notes. You can analyze it. It is not only first session, guys. You have to follow. That is your side work only. If you write your notes now, these if you after first you are watching, I mean attending live yesterday, like creating your notes. Now this revision is giving to you more clarity. Every point is clear on the screen, whatever I written, without any confusion.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. And come to today's topic. And I'm taking new screen. And in the new topic is very simple. First, today we are going to learn 3 components, but very simple. Very simple. The first one is print function I want to use. Print function advanced method we are going to use. There are more than one way is there. And if you open Python IDLE, create a shortcut like here. How to create shortcut? Go to Python IDLE. And right click. Actually, first time you can see here, pin from taskbar is there. Are you able to see? If you go to IDLE, upon IDLE right click. First time if you are using, I want to place the .exe file shortcut on the taskbar. Right click up on IDLE. Select. By default, first time, not by default, first time you can see pin from taskbar. You can select it. Now available here only. Every day you can practice directly. Okay. Remember, in Python, anything starting with hash, that is a single line comment. Comment means not Instagram comments, Facebook comments. It is like a Python will not execute these lines even if you press enter. It skips them. After line level only, single line comment. As symbol after anything is there, even if you create a variable also, it won't consider. Like if you write in this way, then after anything you can write, no problem. There is no problem. A equal to 10. After hash symbol, anything if you write in the current line, that will be skipped from the execution. This is a comment line for the execution purpose. End users can easily understand based on your comment lines. And when I create a variable, yes, I can print the value or directly also write a, but this is not good practice. Write with print function, ID of a, type of a. All these three are clear, everyone? Okay, my requirement is I want to print in this way by using the print function. The value of a is 10, I want to print. How to print? You need to use a variable value. Next time, if I'm storing 20 inside of a, I want to print 20. This 10, 20 depends on the variable a only. Yes. How to write the, I want to print this statement with a print function. This is customized test up to now. Can I write as this? Yes, the value of a is perfect. But how to print the variable value?
Comma E.
Comma a. That's a. Yes, this is a individually error. So comma is a separator. If you give comma in output, what is the result you are getting?
Concatenation, right?
No.
Space.
Space.
Space is coming. This one is after, you can see. And I have one more question. C equal to 20, D equal to 30, E equal to 40. Those who are completed Python, please wait. Sir, I want to print this way. The value of C is 20 and D is equal to 30 and E equal to 40. I want to print this output on the screen. Yes, your string, then comma variable, string variable, string variable. Are you getting my point? This is the way we have to write. First, how many strings we need to write here? From here to here, one string. Then here to here, one string. Then here to here is the one string. Which are not in the, okay, which are in the circle, that are the variables, correct? We can replace them by variables. Am I right?
Yes.
And what is the separator, this box to circle?
Comma.
Comma. Which is in the rectangle box, we have to write in quotes or not? Yes.
Yes.
The value of C is closing. Then what should I write? What should I write next?
C.
See, as it is printing. If I write C, is it working? Is it working? Is it working?
Yes.
Then next one.
No.
Next one.
The value of D.
It should be double quotes and then comma. I
First
guess.
comma, then singular double quotes. D, space D equals to closing. Then comma, D. And then after quotes, double or single quotes, E, closing. This is good.
Yes.
Is it correct? Please check this one. Green color one, your own test. Anything you can write it. But see, black color one, it is a variable. Really creating confusion or not?
It is clear.
Clear on that?
Naga, quick one. Sorry to interrupt. How's about if we don't put a comma after C?
Let's see. This one, correct?
Yes.
Or this one?
After C.
After C.
After the variable C.
Okay. Showing error. Showing error. For example, A equal to 10, B equal to 20. I am writing the value of A is A. Error or not?
Yes. Okay.
Otherwise, after this, if I am writing B is B. Error. So string to variable, what is the separator?
Comma.
Comma. Variable to string?
Comma.
Comma only. String to string also comma only. Looks good? Even if I change my a value, is going to modify or not? Yes. Even if I change new value, updated or not? Yes. Updated or not? Yes.
Yes.
But I feel this is difficult. As a new
Can
to
we put
Python,
2 commas over there because 1, 2, 3, 4 space B is there, no? Can we put 2 commas over there so that
no. String to variable or string to variable or string to string, anything come, you have to give comma only, separator. Are you agree? This is a string, first string? Yes. Within the quotes or not? It is a string. Variable, variable. Total, how many components are there altogether? 4. 4 is there. You definitely give the separator. But guys, I will not recommend this approach. There is a one more approach I will introduce to you in today's session. It is good, but as a new to Python, I am getting confusion.
yes,
But the next one, the simple thing you have to remember, it's advanced also. Format specifier is there. Not only print function, format specifier. Either you can write F after should not give any space. Immediately, either single quotes or double quotes. Don't give in this way space. It is error. Sir, now before that you can write print function. I am not talking about print function. Format specifier work with string. You can concentrate this. So here no commas, no quotes closing. That story is not there. And format specifier. F means format specifier. It works with curly braces, guys. If you write any string as it is, it will print, no doubt. But if you write curly braces between the quotes, inside you can write a variable, or inside you can write a mathematical expression. Inside you can write a Python function. Anything it will work with your custom string. Means the meaning of this format specifier. I am creating example A equal to 20, B equal to 30. These are the two variables I am writing. Now I am writing here format specifier. The value of A values are A and B. You should not, you can write like in this way. You can write in this way. This is going to replace the variable values. Whatever I selected now on the screen, that is a normal characters of string. But curly braces is going to replace the variable values. And already you know, between the quotes, either single quotes or double quotes, if I use slash n, what is the meaning? Is it new line?
Yeah.
New line.
Slash t for
Tab.
what is the meaning of tab?
Space.
4 to 5 consecutive spaces. Consecutive means serial, like space, 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 space. Now come back to here. Leave it the first method. Okay, but little complicated. We have to make it everything easy. So I'm writing C equal to 30, D equal to 70. I'm writing. You can directly write format specifier, but end of the day, you need to work with print function only. Yes, inside values are C and D. You can see which is better. The same thing, if you know the first method, you have to write in this way. you can analyze it. Which is easy?
That's specific.
Format specifier approach is easy or not?
Yes.
What is the use of that one? These curly braces, if you write anything, maybe a variable value, a mathematical expression like addition, or a function, anything you can write, it will replace. Yes, write this one. I want to get the output. Now onwards, don't write everything on the Python ideally. Be off of writing. Otherwise, instead of writing on the Python ideally, there is a one file option is there. You can see file, take a new file. One file will open. Permanently, we can save the programs in this way. This is a new file. First, immediately save this file. First step, you need to save this file. 1 second. First, I'm providing first program. First program I'm writing. And no need to give any extension, just name also write to test. Any name that is up to you. Extension it will take. See? I'm not writing in Python ideally. In the ideally, go to file, take a new file, otherwise control N. And better to enable the line numbers. For that, go to options, line numbers. Right. I am taking one variable, I am taking another variable. Print. Writing values are C and D. Slash N. Sum is C plus D. And product C into D. Any confusion? Any confusion? Tell me what is the output I will get here. First one, what is the output I will get? Line number 3. Values are curly braces. What is the use of the curly braces?
You will get the variable.
Replace the variable value. C variable is there.
Yes.
If
Yes.
variable is not there, what is the error name we can get?
Syntax error or something.
30.
Variable name is not there. Variable name is not there. What is the error we are going to get? Variable name not there. Error name.
Name error.
Undefined
Name
variable.
error only. Name error only. You can see X is there, no problem. Y not there, even though I'm calling. Yes? Right? But guys, don't directly call. Every time you have to write print function only. This is the one flexibility. In the Python, ideally, directly also you can call it. Okay.
So
Come to
how
your-
you are executing now? I'm not getting so sorry. So yeah.
Okay. Values are space. C value means how much it will print here?
30.
30. Space and D 40. Then slash n means cursor will come to where?
Next line.
Next.
Next line. Then sum is mathematical expression 70. And then and
This.
product, for example, 1200. Yes? So this is the way we are going to get the output. Guys, if you write triple single quotes and triple single quotes starting and ending, maybe you can write triple single quotes, triple double quotes also. Can you guess what is this one? Multi-line comment. If I write as symbol, how many lines is commenting?
One line.
Now this is a whatever the lines are between these single quotes, starting point and ending point. These are the comment lines. Python will not think about it. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Run this F5. Press F5. That's all. press F5 to run this program in the notepad here, like a notepad only. Press F5. This program is going to load in your again Python IDE only. It is going to load again Python IDE only here only. Sorry, but instead of loading as a code, how it is loading? How it is loading?
Python
As a
file.
file name it is loading. You can see if I press F5, working, expected output only, na?
Yes.
Okay. Here I am writing one more. If I press F5, it will give a warning. Can you guess why?
No space in there.
Are you able to see this star symbol before test? There is a one star symbol. Star T word is there. Are you able to see? It's a
We need to
grayed out.
save the file. Save the file.
Not yet saved. Okay, you modified, but not yet saved. If I try to run, I will get this prompt. Are you able to see this prompt? If I press F5, are you able to see this prompt?
Yes.
Why? This is a reason is we are modified but not updated. To save this one, what is the general shortcut we can use?
Control S.
Control S. I am pressing Control S. Again press F5. Is it correct output? Our expectation and both are same?
Yep.
Any confusion here? Even I can write tab spaces also. Can I write? Will it work? Working or not?
So
What
Nagarjuna
happens?
console, there are multiple commands are there, no? So, but when you are executing only one command is getting executed, how it is?
Here this is
Nothing.
loading into memory. Nothing. Just to silently store in a variable. It won't print. Really, if I write D equal to 200, is it going to print anything? Like line number 1, if I'm creating a variable, is it performing anything?
No.
No. Really, these all are comment lines or not?
Yes.
Which are executable line in the, executable line, printing line in the 3 lines?
Third line is the print.
Only third line output only we are getting. If I am not defining these 2 variables, for example, I am commenting. Commenting means nothing but that line is not there. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is the meaning of comment, if I press F5, what is the output I will get? If I press F5, what is the output I will get?
You'll get name error, Naga.
Excellent, sir. Name error for C. Yes?
Mm.
Okay. For example, I am removing the comment line for C. Then
Same name error you will get.
same name error for which variable?
D.
E.
And remember, without knowing a line, especially at first character of any line, there is a space indentation operator will come tomorrow. Without, at very first line, remember, this is a standard rule. Don't give any spaces at first character. Directly don't give the first character. There is standard rules are there. If you give without knowing, after that you can give any spaces, no problem. This is fine. You can write here, this side, fine. But number only, don't write in this way. You can write n number, but first character point only I'm talking. Okay, 1 second. I will remove this D comment and press F5. So here, if you give the spaces at beginning, you will get the syntax error. So it is dangerous. When we should give spaces, there is a looping statements come in tomorrow's session. Okay, format specifier concept is clear. Part 1.
Naga, just one quick question.
Okay.
In format specifier, the variable, can it be string also? Like C, can this be a string?
Anything.
Okay.
what happens,
One
Naren, if I
second.
go
Why
back to
we
the
are
file?
getting an error here? One mistake is
Because
there.
we use the sum function.
Okay, one second.
Slash
I mean,
and
never it will work. Right, right. So
Yeah.
just I'm going to delete this one. Why? Because number thing now looks good. Working?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. One more question, please.
I have a question. Can we call custom functions inside print?
Yes, anything. Absolutely. Yes. I'm commenting this one. You can write print data type of C is type of C and slash n address. Sorry, my mistake. Address is ID of C. This is clear. First of all, code point. Code point
Yes.
is clear. One big mistake. Format specifier. Correct. Format specifier. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes.
Then this is string. And curly braces inside, you can write a variable, mathematical expression, a function. What is the type of C?
Float.
Float. Then after break the line, space will come in the second line. Am I right? Second line, first character, am I going to get space?
Yes.
Yes. Address space, E space, ID of C. I'm going to control S, press F5. Working? Looks good? Yes.
Yes.
Very simple, but it's better than yesterday's one. Take one more file, come to IDLE, and take one more file and save these. Now these files are going to update in the drive. You can find out in the drive also. Now folder 2 is added. So yesterday's recorded with tomorrow link is going to change, guys. There is only the link. Those who are completed the payment, that people only will get the new link. I mean, you're part of in the WhatsApp groups, you will get a new link. Fine. Looks good. Now I am going to introduce you one more topic. Please wait for, observe carefully. You have to concentrate. There is a input function is there. Like type, like ID, like print, input also one function. Input function always take the input from the keyboard at runtime. Runtime inputs it will take. Runtime input means when you press F5 button, when you press the F5 button, if you have a 5 lines of code is there, first line 1 will execute, then line 2, line 3, line 4. So line 1 to bottom way, the Python program will work. Python execute program from 1, 2, 3 like that, it will execute. So when you press F5, the program execution start from line number 5. If you use input function, we can take the runtime input. Runtime input means we are not running, Python program is running. Once if you press the F5, that time program is going to take the inputs from your side. You need to provide the input. And the nature of input function, anything you can give, it takes in the form of string only. You can give a number, also take string. String you can give string. Float you can give string. Anything it will read takes in the form of string only. And second one, always it accepts one line input. One line input means you can write when you press the enter key. When you press the enter key, that is the end of the line. And after taking that, you are providing some input. Then after again it will return same thing on the screen as a str. Sir, I'm not getting this point. Why you are explaining? This is a first session you are creating. Okay, you are telling it is will take string. What is the meaning of string? First point, anything it can give, you can give it take as string. What is the meaning of string? What is the meaning of string as of now? Sir, anything between singular double quotes you can call string only. Can I call? Yes.
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 Why you are thinking? Very simple. Like I am writing name equal to or nx equals to Python. What is the data type of nx?
String.
str only, string only. Sp like my sys equals to system name equal to server 01. Yes. Yes. My is working. Or else you can use format specifier also. Mice is working,
Yes.
and data type of mice is str. Give me what is this one?
Again, string.
String.
String only. Even second one, again deeply I'm asking, what is that one?
String
Can I
only.
call string integer? It is a string only. Can I call string integer?
Yes.
No, no, it
Form
should be
integer or
called a
not?
string.
Yes.
What about this one?
String float.
String float string. What about this one?
String.
String only. Don't give combination. Characters, digits are there. That is a string only. So, guys, if you take input function, I want to get more information about input. Who will give that answer? In Python,
Help.
excellent help function. Inside, how to write?
Just the word input.
Oh, only word. Are you following properly?
Yeah.
Yes. Something input function is there. Read a string. What is clear? Read a string from standard input. What is the meaning of standard input? Standard input, standard output. Give me one example in your machine. What is the standard input?
The keyboard.
Keyboard, mouse, and standard output?
Console.
Console, your monitor. Right. Now you can see input function you can use directly. Press enter. It is blinking. Why?
Waiting for
Input. If you provide anything, press enter. Again, same thing returning or not? Yes.
yes.
But for example, I'm expecting one password from the user. Otherwise, enter your mail ID. If I give input, user can understand why it is blinking for the input, which input it is expecting. The end user can know. Are you getting my point? If I'm writing 100 lines line program, if it is blinking, how can we understand? That's why you can write here anything, but recommended one write string only. You can write format specifier also, but string you can write. Enter your mail ID. I'm writing in this way. Is it string first point?
Yes.
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 User will get some like enter like your ATM password, like that is good or not? Yes. Then I will store this value and storing some input. How to end the end of the line? Which character we need to press to complete my input?
Enter.
Enter. If I press enter, what is the action I can get?
It will print that
Same
value.
will be displayed.
Same thing again it will return. Am I right? Once if I press enter key, whatever it is receiving, it is returning or not? Are you agree? And which data type it is? Okay, next one. Input. enter a number. I'm providing 10. Then if I press enter key, is it mandatory? Is it optional or mandatory? Enter a number, string.
Option.
What is the benefit if you write in that way? What is the benefit if I write in that way?
For understanding purpose. What is it?
Guys, here one thing, it is interactive. If you are not responding, it is problem to you only. Yes, right or wrong, just here we are learning purpose only. It is dangerously the IT field is going to change in upcoming 6 months to 1 year. Believe me, just please respond. It is a mandatory thing we have to learn. Already you are registered, so I'm not saying anything like here, you have no need to insist you to join. Already you are registered. You need to respond. That is one thing you need to perform here. Okay, fine. Enter in number 10 and option just for end user can understand easily. If I press enter, what is the return item and data type?
It would be 10 and then the string.
It's a
Form
string.
of string. Tell me what is the answer of this one?
A string.
2050.
Excellent. Concatenation only. Like Python and AI. Two strings these are. Okay. String 1, string 2. What is the operator? Plus. Concatenating? Yes. Yes. It is not numbers. These are the string form. Guys, there is a one concept is there. First topic I'm starting today. Into function. First topic I'm starting into function. And one more thing before going to see into function. Sir, if I'm giving in this way, if I provide some input, which key I am using to get previous typed command? Which key I am using to get previous typed command?
Control N.
Alt P, Alt N. Press and hold Alt P, Alt N. P for up. Don't release Alt key. Guys, what I'm doing, if I'm providing some number, it is returning. Now what I'm doing now, I'm storing one variable. Tell me, what is this variable assignment? Is it variable assignment?
Yes.
Which one will execute first in this one?
The right side.
Excellent. Right side. Assignment operator right side will execute. Assignment operator right side will execute. Assignment operator right side is this is a 1. And it will execute. You will get a prompt. Enter a number. Okay. Example, I am providing 40, then enter key. What is the second one? After pressing enter key, this is enter key. What is the next one? It will return. Am I right in the form of string?
Yes.
Yes.
But I am using one variable. Then it won't print in this way. Like above, the value is going to store inside of X. You can see the second time returning value I'm catching inside of one variable. Is it printing anything now?
No.
Tell me what is the X value?
Now it's a 40.
40. What is the data type of X?
Int.
String.
String only. Always input reads in the form of
String. Yes.
string only. But really, is it string? It's a
No.
no. We need to convert. There is a one first topic I'm using into function. Into function I'm using. If you write int, if you write directly, it will return 0. Guys, into function main purpose is converts. You can write here between these. You can write a string integer. You can write. You can write a float also. You can write. Majorly these two are important. What it will do? Convert them into integers. Closely observe. Int of 3 point some number. What is the written answer?
3.
int function purpose converts other values to other values means string
Other data
integer,
type.
string integer and float. Remember these two integers. Okay. Int of 35. What is the answer I will get?
35.
35. Again, for example, I'm storing in this way. What is the y? What is the data type of y? What is the y?
35. Type of integer.
Integer now. Integer. Y is a 35. Like that, first time, can I write here? Guys, for example, first time, okay, you need to remember like a combination functions. You can write in this way. For example, I'm expecting int of 20. What is the answer? What is the answer I will get?
You should get an error message.
Error. Is it string integer? Tell me,
No.
whatever I selected, is it string integer?
No, it's a string.
Only string. And is it float? No. Beautiful error. Okay. Guys, these two take input from the user. I'm taking one, okay, I'm writing one program. Program number 2. I think I selected one program. Yeah, this is the one is there. Take 2 inputs to 2 variables. Is it okay?
Yes.
Var1, var2, var1 input, enter first number. Any confusion?
No.
Input, enter one more number. Then I'm writing format specifier. Sum is var1 plus var2. Otherwise, var1 is var1 slash n, var2 is var2,
And sum is.
var3. 3 lines I'm writing. Is it okay?
Yes.
If you take these string, output I'm analyzing. First one, this is going to print. Break the line. Second line. Break it. Third one. What is the var1? Example I am providing here at user execution time 14 and 15 I am providing. What is the value first one here? 14 and here 15 and sum of 14 and 15 14 plus 15 20
29.
but actually it is going to print
145, yeah.
14.
One
Why? Because what is the data type of var1?
String.
Data type of, I'm writing format specifier one more time. Data type of var1 is, can I write curly braces?
Yes.
Is it okay? Is
Yeah.
it okay? And second one also write it. Second one also write it.
Where to?
Right. Press F5. Any confusion? First this line will execute.
Right.
Any confusion? Sir, this
Naga, can we write int bracket var1 is
yes,
equal to input?
I'm
enter the
coming to
first
that
number?
point. That is the final product
Okay.
from today's session.
Okay.
Oh, why the FI is no FI is not working for my machine. The reason is come on FI. 1 second. Take a new file one more time. Say paste the code. Something I'm writing. FN. Enter first number. First line only na executing.
Right.
I am providing as per our plan 14. Then what is the next output? If I press enter, what is the output? Which line output I can see?
No, it will not give any output.
Type.
Line number 4 output will come. Am I right? Data type of var1 is which data type?
String.
String. Next one, I am providing 15. And line number 6 also string, 14, 15. Concatenating or not?
Yes.
But to resolve this problem, you can use int of input of, you can write anything, enter a number in this way, you have to write. How many functions are there here?
1, 2, 2 function.
Two functions.
Two functions are there. Guys, closely observe. It's the best way to avoid all confusions. First, when I am giving in this way, you need to check the brackets. Parenthesis brackets. Like parenthesis bracket, like paralysis. This is a 1. And this is another one. Okay, 2 brackets.
Yes.
First internal one will execute. This will execute. Then this, then this. Tell me, if I'm providing 14, I'm providing. This area, if I'm providing 14, the 14 is going to store in this way.
Yes.
Int of single quotes 14, how is it going to convert?
Only
Integer.
number.
Integer.
Int
Integer
of
14.
single quotes 14. It is going to convert 14. Who is going to receive this one?
Var1.
Var1.
Var1. What is the data type now?
Integer.
Integer.
Integer. See, I am just writing int. Okay. Okay, this is okay.
Yes.
This is okay.
Yes.
And here also.
Into.
Otherwise, you do one thing. This is a one program you can take. Another program I am writing. 1 second. No. Okay, just I am doing small change. Which line I need to type? This is typecasting we will call. String to you are converting integer or not? String to you are converting integer or not? One data type to another data type. If I am providing 14, first this 14 is going to convert as number 14. Why? Why? Into function. Converting one data type to another data type, what we can call? Typecasting. What we can call? Typecasting. Converting one data type to another data type we can call typecasting. Converting to like int of any string you can write in this way. You can store in one variable. Maybe here user is using one input function. What is the purpose of input function?
To take the input
at runtime.
At runtime.
Both are same only. This is hard coded value. Your user will decide. Now this is going to work perfectly.
Yes.
F5.
It will do something.
14. Now what is the data type?
Integer.
And next 15. Now this is perfect or not?
Yeah.
Typecasting int. What can I give to int function? Int after what can I give? Int after string integer. String integer. Yes. String integer. String integer. Is it clear? String integer. This is a string integer, but this is not string integer. No.
It's a string.
And this is not string integer. No. Are you getting my point, guys? Quotes inside only digits. That's all. Okay. One assignment to you. Take 3 values as runtime input. My mistake. No. Find their sum and product. Okay.
Yeah.
And take a number, only one number. Take a number as integer. Here also integer only. This program also integer only. Print its cube. What is the meaning of cube?
3. I mean power 3.
Power 3. How to do the power 3? For example, if I am giving 5, x equal to 2. How to write? I am writing x. You have to take runtime. X cube is You need to write 3 times, right? Otherwise, just to directly write a double star 3. This is the one operator, exponent operator in Python. Yes?
Okay.
Working. X value, for example, 5. Modified.
Yes.
Otherwise, there is one more approach, power function. 5 power 3. You can use anything. But I want to, if I'm giving one number as an input, int of, input of, then I want to print its cube. Assignment is clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So in power function, can we use x instead of 5 there?
Instead of these, you can write power of x comma 3. Both are same only.
Okay.
What is the x here? Generally, in the exponents are, maybe this is a 6th standard. X square is there. X we can call as a base. 2 we will call as a power or exponent. Am I right?
Yes. No.
Even if you type POW open function, the same words are able to see. Same words in the yellow color. Base exponent is there or not?
Yes.
Again, it is using internally double star or not? Double star is a not 2 symbols, sir. It's a 1 operator. Exponent operator. If you write 1 star symbol, what is the meaning? Multiplication. If I write 2 times, it will go to the head of 4. Head of 4. Sorry, head of 4. What is the answer? 4 square. 4 square. 4 power 5. Are you getting my requirement?
Yes.
So this is assignment. You have to complete it. We will see this one in the next session. But one thing, even I will share to you this history also. Guys, my suggestion is, it is a suggestion. You have to write your own notes and just to watch that video at least one time. Just you can do other work also. Just watch that video. The terminology, the terms you will come. 3 things I covered. What is the first thing? Print function, format specifier. Well, directly also you can use. Second one, input function. And third one is a typecasting. Yes.
Int.
And also I said single line comment
Multi-line.
and multi-line comment. Your notes is valuable. Instead of writing my running notes, if you take printout, maybe you are thinking in that way. No. Your notes, your shortcuts is very important. Create your own notes. All right. So I'm stopping here and we will continue. I started first data type. Can you guess what is the first data type? Indirectly into function only. Tomorrow I will cover that again. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
There is a new link, guys. Tomorrow I will update the new link in the groups. New link I will update you end of the day. Anyhow, tomorrow evening only you are attending. After 11:30, I will update the new link to you. Thank you.